welcome back to Vlogtober Day
11.
Day 11. If you are new and you have missed days 1 through 10, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist. I will link it above and below, and we have had some special guests. We have had some epic gifts, so definitely go watch all of the videos if you enjoy unboxing videos. So today we have one gift. It is a family gift, and Juliet's going to do the honors.
It's signed.
Oh!
It's for the windows. Dad was gonna like these.
He is. That looks really cool. Like, what's the material? Oh, this feels legit. We could honestly even do it on the fence, too.
Yeah.
Okay, these are awesome. So it's haunted window boards, and it says, like, go away, beware, condemned, keep out. This is so cool. And they feel like pretty sturdy, so you could reuse these. It's not just like a one use and done. So let me see if I can get it closer. There we go. These are cool. I can't wait to use these. Wow. Awesome. This was a good day 11. You're into it? You want to put them over your window?
Heck yes! Nobody will look in.
Or even outside of your door, and nobody can come in. No, we want to come in.
No, it can just be free. Not free. It doesn't apply to you, only for the rest of them.
Oh, okay, that works for me. Okay.
Especially one in particular.
Not Nicholas. How about flower pot?
That's my son. That's my child.
We will be using these for outside with our decor. All right, that is it for day 11. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 12. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.